This is the screencast for section 4.6, example 8. In example 6, actually, we talked about sinusoids and to show whether a function is a sinusoid or not. And then there was an example where I stated that it was periodic but not a sinusoid. I'm just going to skim back to that really quick to show you what I'm talking about. So this function right here is periodic, but it is not a sinusoid because the two b values were different. So now going back to example 8, this function right here, it's pretty much the same thing. The two b values are different, so this is not a sinusoid. However, when we graph, we can see this is periodic. We have the same repetition in pattern. So though the function doesn't look exactly like a sine curve that has been shifted, stretched, shrunk, whatever, this has some repetition, so it is periodic. Now the directions say graph 1 period. Well, the original scale I used from -2 pi to 2 pi showed 2 periods of the function, so I could see the repetition. So in order to graph 1 period, I'm only going to graph from -pi to pi. So there is a distance of 2 pi in there, but I'm only graphing 1 period. In example 35, the directions, so the now try problem, exercise 35, the function is periodic but not a sinusoid. So they're telling you it's not a sinusoid. Find the period graphically and sketch a graph showing 1 period. So this is what I've done. I have graphed both, from -2 pi to 2 pi to show that this is periodic. We do see a repetitious pattern, although it does not look like a sine curve. And we already knew that was going to happen because the b value here is 1 and the b value here is 3. Now, this graph down here is only 1 period of the function. I graphed from -pi to +pi to cut down the extra half a period on either side. So now I only have 1 full period of the graph.